I just wanted to show you a cool tool that I found. It's called Reflector, and there's a teacher version and a regular version. It's about $17.99 is what it said to buy it. I just have the trial version for now. You can try it out for 7 days. But basically you can connect your iPad to your screen so that it will display on your screen, and then you could write on your iPad like a whiteboard. So I already have mine showing here so that you can see, but for mine, if I swipe up from the bottom where it says Maisie here, if it wasn't connected, it would say AirPlay, and then I can choose to connect to Maisie up here, and it's a Bluetooth connection, so you have to make sure you have Bluetooth on your laptop and Bluetooth on your iPad, and then you can go ahead and connect, and then it will display. Then all you need to do is to have some kind of drawing program. So I installed Adobe Sketch, and then using my stylus I can write my lesson plan right ahead and use it just like a whiteboard. So anyway, I thought it was a cool tool and I thought I'd share that.